Hello, my name is Rajali. From Bina Nusantara University. Uh, Today I will be present my research with the title Mobile Application Program Design for Traveling Salesman Problem, Completing Using Artificial Bee Colony ABC Algorithm. Introduction. The problem of TSP can be stated as someone who want to visit a number of cities where the series of city visit must from a path in such a way that each of the city may only be first once and then must return to the initial city. The goal is to find the route with the total distance or minimum cost. The travel salesman problem have many applications in daily activity. Research method. First literature review, looking for artificial bee colony, ABC algorithm material and making Android mobile application using Android Studio integrated development environment (IDE), researching from source of book, article, literature, and data related to research topic. And then analysis and design. The analytic method used in this study is following study the TSP problem, learn about optimization, learn of the artificial bee colony, ABC algorithm, the learn the Java programming language, learn about Android Studio integrated development environment, and then Google Map API. Research method, the design method in this study was divided into the several stages. Uh, Stage one, design step an algorithm to determine the optimal route or path. And second, designing how the program receives input and display its output. And then design application of algorithm into the Android mobile application program and integrating Google Maps into the program to determine the point or location, and then designing the reference of mobile application for user. Implementation, at this stage, apply the design algorithm and program that are made into the Android mobile application using Android Studio. Trial and evaluation. Test the program that has been made to ensure the program receive, process, and display data properly. Result and discussion. Based on optimization result with the artificial bee colony algorithm. In the artificial bee colony algorithm, for solving the aspect case, there are number steps must be performed. For the and this state, the number of location or city of the SP case is determined as number B, and the following formula rule the selection in the picture VIJ with the picture, and then VIJ is magnitude of likelihood to be moving from city E to TCG after the n iteration and transition, and then the EJ is distance from CTE to TCJ, row VEJ, so as fitness from CTE to CTJ, and so on. Waggle dance duration is formulated with the following function: DE long duration of dance B, K scalar vector. Tabel 1 percentage of probability of B following the dance list probability score. We have VVI less than 0.95 colony, the V follow 0.80, and so on. The complete flowchart artificial bee colony algorithm for TSP route selection. we have for the start we input number of iteration, number of V, number of CT, and then for E1 to number of iteration, for G to the number of the V, and then with the selection is null or null, yes or no. If yes, we choose the route and random. If no, we choose the route based on the transition rule. And then the process, if yes, you choose route random, and then J initial J is 1 and E is 1. If yes, we selection, and then operation in the left until the determine the follow, then the following are the result of tests conduct a mobile application grid. Testing is done by simulating random location collection. The number of location tag in seek point location selecting is done by using Google Map. The chosen location are Binus Anggrek Campus, Binus Kijang Campus, Taman Anggrek Mall, Kemiri Market, McDonald Karangtengah, and Bintaro Plaza. Based on Brufos calculation every possible route, the best route result can be obtained 60 kilometer. And then we have screenshot based on Android handphone. Set selection and then selection destination location. For example, we have Anggrek Campus, from Anggrek Campus, and then we change location to Mall Taman Anggrek, and then use this place location. And then this picture about the find any location on Google Map and the route city result. We have from we have seek node, and then the route like this picture, the result of application test, so that the program managed to find best route for the SP case. The mobile application create success in getting the best route with distance of 60.8 kilometer. Conclusion: after analyzing and making application program, it can be concluded artificial bee colony ABC algorithm is able to solve the problem of finding the shortest route of the traveling solution problem. And the second, mobile application program that is created is able to implement the artificial bee colony algorithm to solve the SPKs was by user. The mobile application create successful integrate and use the Google Map in determining its location. And then from the SPK simulated conduct, the mobile application program get the optimal route with the length 60 kilometer, 60.06 kilometer, based on the result test conduct on the mobile application. Then there are some suggestions that can be given improve the quality this application program. The recommendation suggestion number one is perform distance calculation with a map path, not a strike a line between two locations. And then second, add storage feature of route search that the user has ever done. And then the last, for the development, is also recommended to improve the reference to more attractive and friendly to user. Okay, thank you for your attention.